You came crying through the sunrise, tiny hands, a storm in bloom. I swore the world would never touch you, but it's carving out your room. They paint the sky with old reflections, call it order, call it fate. And I watch your wings unfold in a world that learns too late. And I'm trying not to see my face in the ones who'd clip you free. Fly, little bluebird, fly. Don't let their heaven steal your sky. If the thunder calls you a lie, sing louder till it dies. It's the man in the mirror who taught the sky to cry. Yeah. You ask me why the doors are closing, why the locks all look like me. And I've got no clean confession, just the weight of history. Every promise that I made you feels like glass beneath your feet. I can't fix the road they paved you, but I can bleed to make it neat. And I see it in your eyes, the freedom I apologize. Fly, little bluebird, fly. Don't let the heaven steal your sky. If the thunder calls you a lie, sing louder till it dies. It's the man in the mirror who taught the sky to cry. Maybe love ain't quiet shelter, maybe love is burning through. Maybe love is standing guilty till the morning breaks for you. Fly, little bluebird, fly. The cage was never built that high. If the thunder